to Options Tender. It is Monday, brand new week. I don't know about you, but I'm ready to go. Hope you are as well. We are going to go through just the 65 on the ES. We went through multiple time frames, and I don't want to waste your time. We had all kinds of things on the weekend update. If you didn't see that, check that out before you start trading today, or whenever you have time, because that prepared us for the next week. Now we want to get down to the 65 because I didn't put that on the weekend video, and I didn't realize it until I checked it back out. So before we jump into that information plus trade ideas, hit that Options Tender logo down at the bottom right hand corner, subscribe to this channel, and continue to check out trade ideas and market updates. We'd really appreciate that. Want to hit those like buttons so we can work those algorithms, so we can spread the word and spread the wealth. Okay, let's jump into it. I have the 65 minute on here. I left my my watch list, my analysis here on the left side because I want to show how weak tech was. We are looking at small caps being the stronger indice, and then the Dow components as well. So big cap is looking to be strong along with small caps. Tech is weak at this moment, but be careful anytime that these rates, everybody's got their eyes on rates right now. Anytime that these rates look like they're going to stop crashing at this moment, we're going to have a big rotation into tech and out of small caps. They are about level with at this moment with overall overall gain since the March lows. Okay, so let's jump into this ES before we get off track here. We want to, okay, this is our big move to end wave 5 or to be a wave 1 in wave 5. That's a very impulsive first wave if it is. And right now we're working on wave 2, but we just haven't quite caught any traction yet. Now, we may have completed an ABC. To be honest, on Friday, we were expecting this flag to maybe bounce out of here and come down to a wave 5 to end the C. Now, that could still be in play. We don't know that for a fact, but I was really looking for this area. If we are done here and now, then we need to hold this, make some sort of inverse head and shoulder, hold this big area. If we start getting under here, it's looking really weak, and we need to bounce, test this uptrend line, and I even have a count on here: 1, 2, 3, 4, and maybe a 5 to work our way out of this downtrend at this point. But this is the big area. So we have 2 levels, 38.42. We need to get above this and then negate this downtrend line. We need to hold 37.88 here. Okay, this is our range. This is what we're thinking about. But on a little bit bigger level, from the bottom of this week to the top of this daily, that's our daily range from Friday. So that's our range from Friday that we need to get out of that balance. Okay, and it's going to work one way or another. I don't think it's going to hold within this range very long. We're either going to break to the upside or down to back to the downside. Now, what if we do go back to the downside? We do have the expected move there. If we break down, I'm going to try another buy area here. I have calls on. I have call spreads on, you guys. In-out spreads. I'll put the link up above if you're not familiar with those, or at the end of the video. But I will try some more buys here. I have SPY puts on. I'm protecting my positions because we're in it in the short term. We're in a downtrend. There's nothing more to that. So we need to break that downtrend by holding now, today. The only other thing that I could be thinking of that happens today is that we get an inside day. And then we are really coiled up, and we're really going to be looking for a break from either direction by turnaround Tuesday. So let's see if we can make some moves today. Maybe not too much direction. We'll keep an eye on individual names, but let's go ahead and look at the MACD. The MACD has given us our cross. That's not looking too good. You know, that's a bearish cross, but it's okay if we're looking to get a divergent wave 5 up, and then we'll have to make another higher low. Okay, so we need to oscillate our way up to work off that condition in the waning momentum in the daily. Okay, so this needs to curl back up. We need to make some highs. This needs to curl back up. Otherwise, we're bearish. We need to we got some work to do. Okay, so don't go all in now. dkng. dkng has a holding a trend line here. If we do have more downside, we do have a channel bottom here as well. So good time to start scaling into dkng. Bynd touched the bottom of that channel. We do have support underneath there as well. So again, this just like Bynd, we might have a little wave 1 and moving on up, but we need the market behind us. tlry working its way out of this, trying to get out of this wedge. If we don't have any breakthroughs from this wedge now, then we're going to see another divergent low, and we'll make another attempt at tlry. Uber holding on pretty strong. Looks like it's ready to continue its move up. Do I have some lines aboard on here? Trend is our friend, right at resistance. Came to the bottom of the channel, also right at the gap area. So this might be a wave 1, 2, and working on wave 3 to the upside. orcl had a big move on Friday, broke out of a huge channel. Yeah, huge channel here. So we're looking at some more strength from orcl. Maybe it has to retest this channel and then move up, but that's amazing move out of a huge range. That's a very long-term range, and looking for some strength in orcl to continue. Now, another big name, Verizon. These are slow movers, guys, but if you're in this for the long run, you know, looking good. We're going to gap up. Let's get on the daily so you can see what I'm talking about. This is a wave 1, wave 2, potential wave 2, and then we potentially could be off to the races. Well, slow race, but the turtle beat the hare, right? CRM's another one. You know, it can move. It can definitely trend once it gets going. You see it at the bottom of that flag channel. This is a great opportunity. We put this on a trade idea last week. It just hasn't moved yet. We need some tailwind from the market. Cliff Resources right at, it's called Cleveland Cliffs now. Sorry, I'm old school. There's at support now. We need to gain some momentum, break this downtrend, and head higher. So all these names are on watch, you guys. There's so many names that are waiting for a move. Okay, Airbnb came just so close to the 61A. It might be faking us out and really has to get in touch with it. But we have a support / resistance here. So maybe if we can hold this area, we may be working on wave 3 Airbnb. I like Airbnb for the long run, you guys. FLGT, we already entered this one. This is kind of scary. It had its break up after earnings, came right back down. I think this is a great opportunity. This might be a wave 1 down to wave 2, and let's see if we can find this first impulsive wave 1 back to the upside for a larger wave 5. Okay. If we break this support, then we're talking a whole nother leg down. I think we have a lot more to move down, some downside there. So that's it right now. I don't want to keep throwing out all kinds of names. There's a bunch of names out there, but you go ahead and check them out on your own time. We need the market to turn, you guys. We need ES to make a move today or tomorrow to break out of this range. Okay, from 38.42 down to 37.23. We need to hit up that point of control again. We like that point of control. We want to get there and beyond. Okay, so thanks for joining us here at Options Tender. Good luck, hit that like button, subscribe, and we'll talk to you after the bell.